Rush. Don't let anybody else use it and get a new on every 6 months. A very pleasant morning to everyone. Today I am Pragya Yadav and class 12B and she is Sakshi from class 12A. We present a special item on safe online learning.
Do. Create a strong password according to password guidelines and frequently change passwords to prevent misuse. Read privacy settings very carefully on social networking sites. Communicate only with known people. Be careful while posting photographs, videos, and any sensitive information on websites as they leave digital footprints which stay online forever. Ensure that only authorized personal access computer systems and labs.
Don't reveal your passwords to anyone other than your parents or guardian. Don't reveal your password information like age, address, phone number, school name, etc. as this can lead to identity theft. Don't post anything which hurts other feelings. Don't forward any other messages read on social media without verifying it from the trusted source. Don't create fake profiles for yourself on social networking sites. Don't use personal devices such as personal USB, hard drives, and public places, networks, or computers.
How to prevent and counter cyberbullying? Do not respond. If someone is bullying you online, do not respond or retaliate by doing the same thing. Responding or retaliating may make matters worse or even get you into trouble. Collect as much information as possible. Take a screenshot of anything that you think could be cyberbullying and keep record of it.
Talk about it. Inform trusted adults like your parents and teachers about the bullying incident. Seek help. Do not feel that you are alone and never keep it yourself. Be private. Keep your social media privacy setting high and do not connect with anybody who is not known offline. Thank you.